Shoutout guys! Shawi! Hindi ko kayo nakangiti guys!
Yes, so thank you so much. Castilian Zumba Mamas. Sinang leader? Sinang leader po ng ating pang Zumba lady? Castilian Zumba Mamas. Dito po muna tayo, ma. So grabe, parang hindi na uubos ang energy. So kamusta naman po ang inyong pong preparation? Ilang taon na preparation ang inyong sayaw? May tulad pa. Parang binibilis-bilisan. So, ang next po natin sasayaw ay ang ating mga educators. Yan, kaway-kaway. So, habang nagre-ready ang ating educators, again, papasahin ko po ang ating criteria for judging. Synchronization, 25%. Timing, coordination, 25%. Projection, passions, 50%. Stamina, power, energy, 25%. Costume, 10%. Total of 100%. So once again, let's give a big hand of applause to our
Hoy, sayaw! Sayaw daw! Sayaw! Sayaw daw! Sayaw daw, George!
Dr. Yolanda Romano, together with our club president and division secretary. Get ready!
Yes!
Ready na. First place. Wala ba tayong music na, no? Manatlong. Wala. First place. With the general average of 92.3.
Wow!
Okay, again, third place po natin ay Halma Bay.
Libre yan ah!
Sige po, check po tayo.
Guys, ready na ba kayo guys? Are you ready?
Second place, place 2. With the general average of 93.33%. Sino kaya? Ayan. Third place, place 2. Second place. O, sa MC ang mali. Second place goes to... Sumigaw kayo!
Bumaldo ka! Masyado maingat, nakakaya.
With a total average of 94.33%. Castillo